Welcome back to my channel. It's Bonitah once again. If you're new here, you're welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you for clicking once again. So as you see the title of the video, I'm going to show you my first time doing chicken tikka masala. Yes, as you see, that's the chicken that I bought. Actually, I didn't buy the chicken fillet without bones. I bought chicken breast. Is it a chicken breast? Yeah, with less bones, let me say. So that's the chicken. I had to remove the skin first. So you're going to be seeing the recipes I used, very cheap, easy, the ones you can find everywhere, not complicated as like for the restaurants, those hard ones. As you can see, that's a chicken breast. I started chopping it, cutting off that fresh. Is it fresh? Yeah. So those are ingredients that I'm going to use. That's plain yogurt. It's Jessa. This is not an advert, but it's what I'm going to use. That's milk, full cream milk. It's plain but full cream. And that's cumin. As you can see, I got it at only 3,000 shillings of Uganda. And that's paprika. Yay! And that's tomato sauce. Nah, it's a tomato paste. So that's what I'm going to use. As you can see, I had to first, is it marinating? I have an issue with that word. I had to marinate. I had to put yogurt, our plain yogurt, in our chopped chicken, as you can see. Had to make sure that I remove all the yogurt in the tin so that I can't waste my money, yeah. Oh, I had forgotten talking about that. That is chicken masala. It's in the polythene. I bought it like that because it was a bit cheap like that way. That costs only 1,000 shillings. It was literally, it's 2 spoons, let me say, 2 spoons of chicken masala. So that's me now putting the spices in our chicken and yogurt. Then I had to put cumin. Cumin smells so great. Then I had to put paprika. As you can see, oh, it looks like it was a bit much. I wanted to reduce, but I couldn't hold. So that's how it looks like. All looking snatchy. That's salt. So I had to mix them all together. So that's what I use: chicken masala, milk, yogurt, not milk as yet, the spices. Yeah. So since I didn't have that transparent, what is it called, cavera, that is used to cover up marinated stuff, I used that black polythene bag. Yes, I used that polythene bag to help out. So I had to leave that to sit like for literally 2 hours. So next, those are the tomatoes. I peeled them very well, remove the outer skin. So I'm trying to cut them into small pieces. I put them in the blender so that I can blend them so perfectly and smoothly, because in our tikka masala we don't need those big chunks of things. So that's it. I'm trying to put the heat on low because I didn't want my things to get burnt. So I had to first put them in cooking oil. You have to put the marinated chicken in cooking oil so that you first cook it. Let me say, is it cooking? As you're going to see the procedures say better than my words. guys, see how the gravy is all looking. Is it the gravy? I don't think so, but all is yummy. So that's ghee that I'm going to put in my sauce. You can use butter or ghee, but I chose to use ghee, cow ghee. So that's it. Y'all don't forget to like and subscribe and comment and everything. Thank you. Bye.